Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel and you're back on the Look Digital Signage channel. It's no secret that for large companies, especially with an extensive network of offices, the problem of high quality internal communication is always urgent, and the use of modern tools to help set it up is an integral part of the daily work of any corporate HR department today. As one of these tools, a corporate TV has recently arisen. It allows you to broadcast important internal information on digital screens located in the workflow spaces of the company's offices. Of course, as a rule, one or another digital signage software is used in such cases for the convenience of remote and centralized communication management. Let's take a look at how this tool can be used to schedule a timely congratulation of one of your employees. So in our example, we're going to use the Look Digital Signage service, obviously, and for these purposes, our feature called Content Lifetime is a perfect option. You can prepare a congratulatory video, postcard, or anything in advance, then set the date and time of the broadcast and put it into the current playlist. Until the specified time frame, congratulations will not be broadcast on the screens. It will automatically start playing in the playlist exactly at the specified time and will also be automatically blocked when it expires. So thus, you're guaranteed not to miss the required date, and you're guaranteed to avoid the possible influence of the notorious human factor on this process. I think it's really convenient, isn't it? Now you can test this Looks feature along with many others right now if you want in our free 14 days trial. So don't miss that, and I think that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to put your fingers up and subscribe to the channel, and I wish you all the best. Bye.